Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. In the last sessions, we have learned so many outlining topics. There are digital signature, authentication protocol, digital signature standards, application authentication techniques like Kerberos and X509 directories, authentication services, and Active Directory service of Windows NT 2000. Few highlighted topics are the digital signatures, digital signature properties, which is learned in the last session. Digital signatures, we are also discussed categories, which is a direct and arbitrate. Then direct digital signatures with examples, weakness, authentication protocols, in which we are discussed one way and a mutual. We are also discussed the key issues, confidentiality and timeliness. Then mutual authentication reply attacks. Then we are see the countermeasures to avoid a replay attack. Okay. Then use symmetric encryptions. Then needle-stress protocol. Then the Denning authentication server protocol, one-way authentication, symmetric encryption, public key encryptions, in which we are see the many steps and the mathematical equations. Then we are continuing with the digital signature standards, digital signature algorithms, digital signatures algorithm figures, in which we are seeing the two approach, RSA and DSS. Then how to create signatures, Kerberos, and why we need. There are we are also discussed the 3 threads from workstation, which is pretending to be another, sending a request and reply attack to gain a service. Then importance, the requirements, the secure, reliable, transparent and scalable. This is a revision. We are also discussed the overview of Kerberos version number 4. We are seeing many figures and the practical examples of how to communicating in Kerberos by authentication server. Still revisions. At last, we are learned the overview of Kerberos. Here we see also the color code schemes for unencrypted message, that means stuff, encrypted Alice key, encrypted box key, TGS key and TGS session key, and a session key for encryption and Alice box session key, in which Alice is used at the workstation and Bob is used as a application server. Then we are also learned the authenticators, which is used to prove a client identity, session key, which prevent an attack. Then now we are continue with inter-realm authentication, in which we are use the Kerberos server in each realm share a secret key with other realms. It requires the one should trust the one in realm to authenticate is a user. The second also trusts the Kerberos server in the first realm. Problem is n multiplied by under bracket n minus 1 divided by 2. This is equation which is used for secure key exchange. Here you are seeing in figure the request for service in another realm. The client and server both are used, the TGS and authenticated servers, and is followed by totally 6 steps to how to communicate between each other, in which the first step we use to request a ticket for local TGS. Then authenticated server is provide a ticket for a local TGS. In third step, the client is request ticket for remote TGS and once again TGS. Here you see the authentication server and TGS both are work under unit of Kerberos. In step 4, TGS is acknowledge the ticket for remote connection. For same, in next step, the client is response ticket for remote server and remote server is get back with the proper acknowledgement. This is all about request for service in another link. Then we are see here the Kerberos version 5 versus version 4. Here we see the comparison, and here you see also the strength of Kerberos. First is a user password are never sent across the network, encrypted or in the plain text. Secret key are only passed across the network in encrypted forms. Client and server system mutually authenticate. This is a strength. It limits the duration of their users authentication. Authentications are reusable, आप फिर से यूज़ कर सकते हो, and durable. They have a certain time limit and the durability. Kerberos has been scrutinized by many of the top programmers, crypto analysts and security experts in the industries. Then certificate is electronic counterparts to driver license passports. Is verify authenticity of public key. It prevent impersonation. Is enable individuals and organizations to secure business and personal transactions. What a certificate include? क्या है include क्या क्या आप कर सकते हो certificate में? तो first is the name of entity being certified, public key, name of certificate authority, serial number, expiration date, digital signature of issues and other information. This is optional. Certificate authorities कौन सी है? It is a trusted entity which issue and manage certificate for a population of public, private key pair holders. A digital certificate is issued by CA and is signed with CA's private key. Who are the certificate authorities? There are few examples. Here you can see the examples are VeriSign, GT CyberTrust, Entrust, IBM, CertCo, USPS and Sylip. There are authorities which is used to provide a certificate. Not only certificate, this is a digital certificate, DS. Certificate issuance process, क्या process होती है आप देख लें एक बार. Generate a public and private key pair, send a public key to authority, provide identity to CA verify, CA sign and issue certificate, CA email certificate or requester retrieve a certificate from secure website. Requester use certificate to demonstrate legitimacy of the public key. Type of certificates. First is the email, browser, server, that means SSL, secure socket layer certificate and software signing certificate. It's a potentially security holes. Was the user really identified the security of private key and can be certificate authority be trusted. Names are not unique. Here we see our next topic, the X.509 directory authentication services, in which we are used mostly the cryptography. X509 is a standard defining the format of public key certificates. It define a framework for authentication service. Is serving as a repository of public key certificates. It define alternative authentication protocol. Here you are look around the certificate format in which we are consider the version, serial number, algorithm parameter, issuers, not before, not after, then subjects, algorithm parameter key and signature, which is categorized into algorithm identifier, the period of validity and subjects public key. Here we are also getting the notations to define a certificate. In cryptography, X.509 is a standard defining the format of public key certificate, which are used in many internet protocols, including TLS and SSL. TLS means transport layer security, you are also aware, and secure socket layer SSL, which is the basic for HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol. As for it is a security, the secure protocol for browsing the web. There are also used in offline applications like electronic signatures, that means e-signatures. Okay, in X.509 certificate contain a public key and identify the host name or organizations or an individuals, and is either signed by certificate authority or self-signed. When a certificate is signed by trusted certificate authority or validated by other means, someone holding that certificate can rely on the public key it contains to establish a secure communication with another party, or validate document digitally signed by corresponding private key. आपको डिजिटल सिग्नेचर्स ऑलरेडी पता है, वो तो मैथमेटिकल स्कीम है जो हम यूज़ करते हैं द वेरीफाई द ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ डिजिटल मैसेज और डॉक्यूमेंट. Then securely obtain a public key. Same, here we see the scenario and the solutions which are already discussed. Then a Hershey which acquired the certificate and using a chain. Authentication process, the one-way, two-way and three-way authentications, they all use public key signatures. The one-way authentication, first we need to message A as greater than P, used to establish the identity of A, and that message is from A. Message was intended for B. This provides the integrity and originality of a message. Two-way authentication, in which we are seeing the two conditions. A sends a request to B and B is also send acknowledgement to A, but we also establish in addition the identity of B, and that reply is from B. That reply is intended for A, is provide integrity and originality of reply. The steps, here you look around the request and acknowledgement. Three-way authentications, here we see the enable the authentication without synchronized clocks, in which same, but here you look around the third step is for the pretended certificate path validation algorithm, which verify that the given certificate path is valid under given public key infrastructure. A path start with the subject certificate and proceed through a number of intermediate certificate up to trusted root certificate. Thank you. Now we are learn a lot of things in terms of X509 digital certificate, but here I shared some more things, the structures of certificate, which is not a syllabus but for knowledge. Here the structure foreseen by the standard is expressed in a format language. This is a part of authentication in which the structure of digital certificate is as follows. First, you need to remember the technical parameters like certificate, for example, version number, serial number, signature algorithm ID, issuer name, validity period, subject name, subject public key information, public key algorithm, subject public key, issuers unique identifier, subject unique identifier and extension, certificate signature algorithm and certificate signatures. Here आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि each extension had its own ID expressed as object identifier, which is set of value together with either a critical or non-critical indications. Sometimes we are use the certificate file name extensions. Extension आपको बता दूँ, आप प्लीज़ नोट डाउन करें. .pem. It is a privacy enhanced electronic mail. Privacy enhanced electronic mail. Extension is used for begin a certificate and ending a certificate. Next क्या है extension? .cer, .crt, .der is usually in a binary form, but is encoded certificate are common too. Next extension है .p7b. It is a signed data structure without a data, just a certificate. Next extension है .p numerical 12. It is used to contain a certificate, public and private key. This is a password protected. And last extension है .pfx. Is a preprocessor of PKCS, is usually contain a data in PKCS format. For example, with PFX file generated in IIS. IIS तो आपको पता ही होगा, Internet Information Services, is an extensible web server software created by Microsoft for use with the Windows NT family. IIS support HTTP, HTTP2, HTTPS, FTP, FTPS, SMTP, NNTP, and it has been an integral part of the Windows NT family since Windows NT version 4.0. बाद में आपको ये भी याद रखना है कि सर्टिफिकेट चेन एंड क्रॉस सर्टिफिकेशन, which is all about the issuers of each certificate and is signed by secret key corresponding to next certificate in the chain. कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी है उसके जहाँ पे रूट सर्टिफिकेट अथॉरिटी एक्टिवेट होती है और वो कुछ लेवल के हिसाब से बिटवीन 2 PKIs वो वर्क कर. सेकंड में हम देख सकते हैं कि CA सर्टिफिकेट कैसे रिन्यू करना है, उसके स्टेप्स हैं, उसके एल्गोरिदम है कि एंड एंटिटी सर्टिफिकेट कैसे जनरेट किया जाए. दैन इंटरमीडिएट सर्टिफिकेट भी हमने देखा था, रूट सर्टिफिकेट भी हमने देखा था. इसकी वीकनेस सिक्योरिटी में हमने देखा था कि एग्रीगेशन प्रॉब्लम्स, डेलीगेशन एंड फेडरल प्रॉब्लम. ये सिलेबस में ना हो फिर भी नॉलेज ओरिएंटेड आप देख सकते हो कि वो आपको लर्न करना खूब इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर कैरियर. कि सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट में आप अभी जॉब के लिए ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं तो आपको डिजिटल सिग्नेचर्स प्रोवाइडर्स जो भी कंपनीज है उसमें आपको एक बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है. ठीक है, तो अभी तक हमने जो भी देखा इसमें PKI स्टैंडर्ड्स में X509 वर्किंग ग्रुप, मेजर प्रोटोकॉल, सर्टिफिकेट्स, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सिंटैक्स, सर्टिफिकेट पॉलिसी, कोड एक्सेस सिक्योरिटी, IS, कम्युनिकेशन सिक्योरिटी, रिसोर्स क्वेरी प्रोटोकॉल, टाइम स्टैम्प प्रोटोकॉल, ट्रस्टेड टाइम स्टैम्पिंग एंड EDDSA, that means Edwards Curve Digital Signature Algorithms. Still, वो क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम डिजिटल सिग्नेचर? यूजिंग द वेरिएंट ऑफ synchronized signature based on twisted adverb curves. It is designed to be faster than existing digital signature scheme without sacrificing the security. Now chapter number 7 यहाँ पे हम कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं और आई होप यू एन्जॉय दिस सेशन एंड आउटलाइन हमने ऑलरेडी रिवीजन से स्टार्ट किया था, बट फर्दर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं। वीडियो भी फिर से आप लिंक हम प्रीमियर करने वाले हैं और इसके जो क्वेश्चन और सॉल्यूशंस है वो भी आपको गूगल क्लास में प्रोवाइड होंगे। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।